Imagine this. You're walking through the front door of your dream home, keys in hand, and all your worries about financing are just gone. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. You're about to uncover the top hacks for getting financial help instantly to buy your first home. Stick around because these tips can change your life. First off, let's dive straight into the magic of home buying assistance with government programs. Did you know there are federal and state programs designed specifically to help first-time homebuyers? These programs can offer grants, loans, and even tax credits. The key is knowing where to look and how to qualify. The federal government offers programs like FHA loans, which are insured by the Federal Housing Administration. These loans require lower minimum down payments and credit scores compared to conventional loans. Imagine being able to buy your first home with as little as 3.5% down. But that's not all. There are also VA loans for veterans and active duty military members. These loans are provided by private lenders but are guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. This means you can often get a home with no down payment and no private mortgage insurance. If you or your spouse have served in the military, this could be a game changer. Next, let's talk about USDA loans. No, you don't have to be a farmer to qualify. USDA loans are designed to help those looking to purchase homes in rural and suburban areas. These loans offer zero down payment options and are backed by the United States Department of Agriculture. Imagine moving into a spacious, peaceful neighborhood without having to put down any money up front. State and local governments also have their own programs to assist first-time homebuyers. These programs can provide down payment assistance, low-interest loans, and even grants that don't need to be repaid. Each state has different programs, so it's crucial to research what's available in your area. Moving on to grants, these are essentially free money that doesn't need to be repaid. Various nonprofit organizations and community groups offer grants to help with down payments and closing costs. The trick is knowing where to look and how to apply. Organizations like the National Homebuyers Fund offer grants that can cover up to 5% of your mortgage loan. Imagine receiving thousands of dollars towards your new home just by applying for a grant. Don't overlook employer assistance programs, a hidden gem in the realm of home buying. Many people are unaware that their workplace benefits might extend far beyond health insurance and retirement plans. In fact, some companies offer robust home buying assistance as part of their employee benefits package. This is a perk designed to attract and retain talent, making your employer a potential partner in your journey to home ownership. Employer-assisted housing programs can come in various forms. One common form is direct financial assistance, which can include help with down payments. This is a significant boon, considering that the down payment is often the most substantial hurdle for first-time homebuyers. Imagine your employer contributing a portion of your down payment, significantly reducing the amount you need to save on your own. Another form of assistance is help with closing costs. These are the fees associated with finalizing your mortgage, including appraisal fees, title insurance, and attorney fees, which can add up to a significant amount. Some companies offer grants or zero-interest loans to cover these expenses. Picture walking into your closing meeting knowing that a hefty portion of these costs has already been taken care of by your employer. It's like having a financial cushion that absorbs the impact of these often unexpected expenses. Special mortgage deals are another avenue through which employers can provide assistance. Some companies have partnerships with lenders to offer employees more favorable mortgage terms. This could include lower interest rates, reduced fees, or more flexible underwriting criteria. Imagine securing a mortgage with an interest rate that's a full percentage point lower than the market rate, thanks to your employer's negotiated deal. The savings over the life of the loan could be substantial, making your monthly payments more manageable and freeing up your budget for other expenses or savings goals. But how do you find out if your employer offers these benefits? The first step is to check with your HR department. They can provide detailed information about any available home buying assistance programs and guide you on how to apply. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Some programs may be less advertised, but they're worth the inquiry. You might discover that your employer offers additional perks like homebuyer education workshops or access to financial counseling services, which can be invaluable resources as you navigate the home buying process. Beyond direct financial assistance, some companies also provide housing counseling and educational resources to their employees. This could include workshops on home buying basics, one-on-one counseling sessions, and access to a network of real estate professionals. These resources can help you understand the home buying process, improve your financial readiness, and make more informed decisions. Imagine having a team of experts at your disposal, ready to answer your questions and guide you through each step of the journey. Employer assistance programs can also foster a supportive community. Some companies host home buying fairs or create networks of employees who are also in the process of buying a home. This can provide a sense of camaraderie and shared experience, reducing the isolation that can sometimes accompany the home buying process. Imagine attending a home buying fair at your workplace, where you can meet lenders, real estate agents, and fellow employees who are also navigating the journey to homeownership. Sharing tips and experiences with colleagues can provide additional insights and moral support. In some cases, employer assistance programs are tied to specific conditions, such as a requirement to stay with the company for a certain number of years after receiving the assistance. This is something to consider and discuss with your HR representative. Understanding these conditions up front can help you make an informed decision about whether to participate in the program. Imagine weighing the benefits of receiving substantial financial assistance against the commitment to remain with your employer for a specified period. In many cases, the benefits far outweigh the conditions, especially if you're already planning to stay with your employer for the foreseeable future. Employer assistance programs are not limited to large corporations. Small and mid-sized businesses can also offer valuable home buying assistance. If your company doesn't currently offer these benefits, consider suggesting the idea to your HR department or management team. They might be open to exploring new ways to support employees and enhance their benefits package. Credit scores play a significant role in the home buying process, but did you know there are lenders who specialize in helping people with less than perfect credit? By improving your credit score just a bit, you can open the door to better loan terms and lower interest rates. Start by checking your credit report for errors and disputing any inaccuracies. Then work on paying down high-interest debt and making all your payments on time. Think of it as leveling up your financial game. Now, let's discuss mortgage brokers. These professionals can navigate the complex world of loans for you, finding the best rates and terms suited to your financial situation. It's like having a personal guide in a financial jungle. They can save you time and money by shopping around for the best deals and negotiating on your behalf. Imagine having an expert in your corner who knows all the ins and outs of the mortgage industry. Down payment assistance programs are another valuable resource. Many states offer these programs to help with the initial costs of buying a home. These can come in the form of grants, low-interest loans, or deferred payment loans. It's like having a secret weapon in your home buying arsenal. Programs like the Chenoa Fund provide down payment assistance in the form of a second mortgage, which can be forgivable after a certain period. Imagine having a significant portion of your down payment covered by a program like this. For those who love to plan ahead, consider setting up a dedicated savings account for your home purchase. Automate your savings, and watch your down payment fund grow without even thinking about it. It's like having a financial autopilot working for you. Many banks offer special savings accounts with higher interest rates for homebuyers. Imagine seeing your savings grow faster and bringing you closer to your dream home. Another innovative approach is co-buying with friends or family. By pooling resources, you can afford a larger or better located home than you could on your own. This can also make it easier to qualify for a mortgage and cover the down payment. Co-buying requires careful planning and legal agreements, but it can be a great way to enter the housing market. Imagine sharing the cost and joy of homeownership with someone you trust. Don't forget about local housing counseling agencies. These organizations offer free or low-cost advice and education on home buying. They can help you understand your options, improve your credit, and navigate the home buying process. Imagine having a knowledgeable advisor to guide you every step of the way.